the 31st of March, 2025. Dow Day Chart Analysis. Dow sinks 700 points as inflation fears and trade policy uncertainty rattle markets. U.S. stocks ended sharply lower on Friday, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average tumbling more than 700 points, as renewed concerns over U.S. trade policy and a deteriorating inflation outlook weighed heavily on investor sentiment. The University of Michigan's final reading on consumer sentiment for March showed long-term inflation expectations surging to their highest level since 1993, further unsettling markets. Adding to the pressure, the core personal consumption expenditures (PCE) price index, the Federal Reserve's preferred inflation gauge, rose by 2.8% year-over-year in February, with a 0.4% monthly increase, both higher than expected. The data reinforced concerns that inflation may prove more persistent, complicating the Fed's rate path and policy outlook. Technical outlook. Opening price, OP, 41,357. Mid-level price, MLP, 41,905. Pivot 2, support, 41,064. Friday's close, reference level, 41,501. With the index opening significantly lower, today's focus remains on whether the Dow can reclaim key technical levels. The OP at 41,357 marks the pivotal threshold for the session. Below OP, sustained weakness could drive the index lower toward the next support level at pivot 2, 41,064. Above OP, a recovery toward Friday's close at 41,501 is possible, especially if bullish momentum builds throughout the session. Interestingly, the KSI remains green, signaling institutional buying interest, while KCX continues to flash blue, indicating that retail participants are still in a selling mode. This divergence suggests accumulation may be underway, though retail pessimism persists. Disclaimer: the above analysis is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice.